Sophie, it's been a cold grey morning through the rest of this afternoon. We'll still keep a lot of that cloud around. It's fairly breezy out there as well. There have been one or two breaks developing in the cloud across parts of the North Midlands, northern England, but really any sunshine fairly hard to come by on the latest satellite picture. You can see it's dominated by plenty of cloud covering the country. Eastern Scotland's another spot where we might see the odd break in the cloud through the next couple of hours. We've got some patchy rain. It's much more overcast across western Scotland. Plenty of cloud coverage for Northern Ireland through the next couple of hours, but temperatures should recover just about into double figures. It is much colder to the east where we've got that thicker cloud through East Anglia, just 7 degrees in Norwich, and along that breeze through the south coast, potentially the odd spot of patchy light rain or drizzle at times, moving into southwest England, where again temperatures will recover into double figures later on in the day. The breeze stays with us through the night. We'll see some more rain gathering in the northwest, an approaching front which is moving its way further south. It could be a little bit wintry across the Scottish mountains, but with the cloud, the rain and the breeze starting tomorrow morning around 5 to 7 degrees. Perhaps turning a touch colder for a time through Northern Ireland with the risk of ice. Some clearer skies developing during the early hours here, but elsewhere we're getting off to a cloudy note, but the rain is moving its way south and skies are brightening. So for the afternoon, a much brighter prospect, just staying cloudy with some further outbreaks of rain through East Anglia and the southeast, and temperatures not too far off average. We've got highs tomorrow of 6 to 8 degrees. But the weather is set to change for the second half of the week. We're looking at deeper areas of low pressure set to bring some wetter and some windier conditions. The first of those through Wednesday in the northwest, some strengthening winds, gales, severe gales for more exposed places with some heavier rain. Perhaps not reaching the southeast where it should stay dry if a little bit cloudy, and it's not particularly cold at around 7 to 10 degrees. But the reason for the change in this weather pattern is all being driven by our jet stream. That's our strong winds high up in the atmosphere. It could strengthen to around about 200 miles an hour potentially for the end of the week, but it does look like the core of those strongest winds will just be sitting to the south of Iceland. And it's that jet stream which steers our low pressure systems, our stormy weather. Of course, at this stage, there is some uncertainty in how that jet is going to strengthen, but it does look like the main low should just be sitting to the north of us, with us getting the tail end of the wet and the windy weather. Some of the stormiest conditions possibly in the northwest, but we just need to tie down the details for you over the next couple of days. Sophie, back.
Neela, thank you. A reminder now of our main story this lunchtime.